French 75 is the perfect celebratory cocktail that goes from day to night. Have it with gin during brunch or cognac for a festive evening occasion. And in this variation, add some limoncello for a lovely Italian spin. Originally created in the 1920s after the French 75mm field gun, it earns its namesake as it certainly packs a punch. You might remember this classic tipple being ordered by Rick Blaine in the film Casablanca. Not to be outdone, the glassware one chooses for this sparkling sipper is of utmost importance. A delicate, festive flute is perfect for the occasion.